So it's super late at night. I am sitting here doing my nails and I just like, boom, came up with this idea. Look at my nails. You see how grown out they are? I'm gonna show you a way that you never have to fill them and they will look freaking amazing, right? Like boom, 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 out the door. You're looking hot and sexy and you're having a great day. So let's go ahead and just roll on over to that video right now. Look at that. Can you tell? You can't even tell that I need to fill my nail. Look at that. Look how smooth it is. So my nails have grown out. I have a very light color on my nails. Look at how much they've grown out, right? And I'm like, I'm gonna try something, see if it works. And it works freaking fantastic. I just need to push it down a little bit more. But look at this. You can't even tell that my nail has grown out because I got the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette in the color GS04 in the blush, right? And I was like, these all have, like, if you look closely at them, they all have a clear base to them. And I'm like, since my nail has grown out, the clear will just show right there and you won't be able to tell that there's polish underneath. So I just got the file that it comes with and I filed this down to get it rough. And I want to make sure that the transition from this color, the polish, to my nail is nice and flat and smooth and there's no bumps. Like right here it's pretty smooth. I just might flatten it down a little bit more, but in some it's a little bit thicker. So I'm just going to sand the polish down. Be right back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so all I've been doing is this. I just didn't want to waste your time. That's what it looks like after it's sanded down. Just clean off the sand. You can even go wet your hand. Make sure that the tips right here, the round, the edge, and the end here are nice and sanded down so that it adheres really well. I just kind of wiped off the powder on my pants. Check this out. Look at that. You can't even tell that there's gel polish under there. Turn your nail over and clip off the extra. Now you're just going to push it down, right? And then get the file that comes with it. And you're going to do this. Now I'm not like this, I'm straight. You want to stay straight and go in one direction. And you see it starts to come off like that. Look at that. Let me even show you the side view. Look at that. You cannot tell at all. And no joke, guys, like this Dashing Diva gloss, this is not like polish. This is a really super heavy duty sticker. This has lasted on me for almost 4 weeks. And my other friends who have tried it, at least a minimum of 3. Look at that. Freaking awesome. Before and after, before and after. You're welcome. With a completely clear one on top. So this is the one I put on. So it comes with different patterns, different styles, right? But look at that. Isn't that freaking awesome? You can't even really tell, I don't think. Can you? I need some cuticle oil, obviously, but can you tell? Actually removing the sticker, you can't go back and forth like this. You cannot go back and forth like this And you cannot go back and forth like this. You have to go downward. Take it off and go downward. Because if you go back and forth like this, all that powder, that dust that you see right here on the actual sanding device, on the nail file, it will get pushed underneath. So it will get pushed underneath here and the edges won't stick down. So when you're applying these, literally just go one way, straight down, and make sure that it's flat. Never or like that. And that's how you get an edge. Look at my edge. Look at my edges. Just finished them right now. You see how they're all laying flat? Well, this one actually looks like it has to be pushed down a little bit more. But look, that's a super close up. That's another finger. Super close up. You see how it's really laying down flat against my nail? Yep.